Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. I was using this mower that I made for the excavator the other day. Everything was going along fine. The only issues I was having is that if you're mowing and you're trying to move and there's any kind of a grade, there isn't enough hydraulic to go around. The mower runs, but you don't move, or you move very slowly. The only other issue I had was that I run it into something that was hidden in the grass, and I bent this front piece in, and you can see, hopefully, it bent it right along here, folded it in, and it hit the blade, and the blade did stop, but we did have a little bit of damage. You can see there's a little bulge on the outside too, and I tweaked the back a little too, but not enough so the blade hit. So I'm going to try to come up with some better bracing, and then we'll give her another whirl. Now there's what I wound up doing. Used some angle iron to brace her up. Let's see, this is the end that the blade hit on. And this one here wasn't too bad. This one was easier because this piece already come back that far. But here, where the motor mounted, it ended there, so I had to add these on. See, it's not pretty, but it seems really strong now, so I think that problem's solved. And I just brushed on some paint. Of course, then the wind blew and blew grass all over it, so it don't have to be pretty. I just don't want it to rust is all. So I get the motor and belt back on it and get her mounted and cut some grass. I got her mounted on there, and I'm down at the pond. Got some of these, they turn into like a bush thing right along the bank here. So I'm going to try to get rid of some of this stuff. Can't do too much over here because the wifey had me plant some kind of ground cover stuff here, so I'm going to stick to over here. Probably going to need both hands to get things started here, and then I'll get the camera back. Not sure how this one-hand operation is going to work. One holding the camera and trying to run camera work isn't doing justice to how it's doing, but it seems to do pretty good. It really makes a nice mess in the pond. So I guess we'll call this a video. I think I was successful in bracing it up, and I'm going to get this trimmed up a little bit. Thanks for watching. See you next time.